how to make Smartsheet view only, and this is about here to help you through the section that it should be ready right now, guys, through the situation that is still to be right here, through that section that should be really absolutely understood on a situation that should be ready right now, guys. So the progress that is really satisfied for not going on with a very important levels that is still to be right here. So what we can do is about to go for the sheet and start to have a permission for the view, but actually we're gonna see that is still to be right now, guys. So the view that is absolutely over here on that to go for actually right click on view or grid view, giant view, or table view only. That is actually to be something that I have it, and that's all about